Welcome to Mint Customs. Mint bike, mate.
Why don't we see if there's love without the blood?
The update for Ethel is that the frame has come back from the powder coaters. I picked that up this afternoon. I come bearing gifts.
Hey!
And so we're ready to start dressing that up. Always loved Ducatis from afar. Thank you very much, my love. But they were kind of out of reach bikes, and like affordability, reliability and things like that, I used to think that I couldn't actually have one.
Ethel's the third Ducati that you've been involved with building up Mint Customs.
Yeah, so the first one was Monroe, which was a 900 SS that we CAF'd. So I actually took it to Simon to get the ignition sorted. It was playing up, and then it was like, oh, I'm going to get service as well. And then all of a sudden, I had a hacksaw in my hand, and I chopped the back end of the bike off, slightly encouraged by Mr. Parry. And then the tracker was the second one, which I was more involved in, and sorted out the whole design of the bike and heavily involved with fabrication and build up of it. And Ethel is the third one that we're doing together.
I took the rear shocks away with me racing in Spain to get them rebuilt and set up for Ethel's unique twin shock swing arm design. Hopefully the boys are getting plenty of work done back at the workshop while I'm away.
It's done. Oh, got to pop the seat on.
You may think building motorcycles is all action and full of excitement, and you're right, it is, some of the time. We are now 7 months into making this series, and a whole month longer than planned. The extended deadline for filming is fast approaching.
These days I've been feeling things, your little footsteps creeping only by the night, and then you're out of sight, and you I've been hearing things.
My uncle Damien has joined us in the workshop to help get Ethel finished.
So why do you have to lie? I see it in your eyes. Telling me to let go. It's easier for you. Now you're out of my sight. Now you're out of my sight. Now you're out of my sight.
A crazy number of motorcycles have been built over the last 7 months, 5 of which have been featured in the series. Countless man hours have gone into planning, filming, building, editing and promoting. We've had ups and downs and a few hairy moments, but I've loved every minute of it.
Since you moved down under, I stop and I stutter, 'cause you are the thunder.
This whole series, all I've wanted to do is build a Ducati.
I really want to build one.
And today, despite it pouring with rain, we are going to finish Ethel and road test her.
You move down under, I stop and I stutter, 'cause you are the thunder of my heart. You move down under, I stop and I stutter, 'cause you are the thunder of my heart.
Alright, boys. Hello, mate. You alright?
Where's Ethel?
Ethel.
Yeah.
Ah.
There's been a bit of a problem. We've got everything done up and sorted and put together and so on and so forth for Ethel, and we were hoping to road test her today, but unfortunately I had a little accident with the petrol tank and it's had to go back to paint.
You do know this is the last day of filming, and we do not have any other time to do any other filming.
Yeah, it wasn't planned, Sam.
You're telling me to let go.
The highlight for me is definitely building the first bike, which was flawed.
Now you're not on my side. Now you're not on my side. Now you're not.
It's been brilliant.
Thank you.
It's easier for you.
But for me, it's all about riding, and we took out the Harleys, episode 5, I think it was.
Now you're not on my side. Since you moved down under, I stop and I stutter, 'cause you are.
Well, it's good for me because of two things. One, I love building mad motorcycles. And the other thing is I get to spend a load of time with my eldest son, which has been really good.
You are the thunder of my heart. You are the thunder of my heart. You are the thunder of my heart. You are the thunder of my heart.
You put fuel in there,
Yeah.
and then it
Goes through the pump, into the injector rail, and then the bypass fires it straight back through the return system into the tank.
so it can only run it for a few seconds.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is seconds. Isn't it?
That's juicier than a redneck on Jack Daniels.
Ethel's taken so long to build that this is actually all that's left of Alistair with the beard. You what? Huh?
So what is the highlight for you in Mint Customs, the series?
Oh, there's been so many, but I think every time an episode's been released has been the highlight, because I've got quite a big TV, so I can put it on and see myself in high definition on the telly.
Channel narcissist.
It's pushed us to get a few bikes built because Sam's always approached and said, well, we need that doing, we've got to finish that episode, we've got to do this. So it has pushed us to do a few things. Not that we need pushing, or somebody needs pushing. But no, it's been really good fun and relaxed because you don't. I didn't really notice him floating about the camera and stuff. We've just got on with it, and it's been good fun.
Would you do it again?